this official platform for learning. So today we are here, we are going to be discuss most important current affairs series. Just a minute, give to me only a minute. Okay, very good. So we are going to be discuss day second. We are going to be discuss day second series of current affair, special 7 a.m. current affair. We are here for SSC special. Okay, we are here for SSC special, and today we are talking about 21st of June. 21st of June current affair. Okay, today we are talking about 21st of June current affair. So the day is special for 21st June is special for Yoga Day, International Yoga Day. Today is a Yoga Day on international level. Got my point? International level. So today is International Yoga Day. Have yes or no? And today Prime Minister, I told you on 20 June current affairs series, I told you very well, explained you. If today this Yoga Day, which is celebrating very best level, very approach level, on top level, which is leading by, okay, most important thing, leading by our honorable Prime Minister PM Modi. So here leading by PM, and place here talk about, then where Prime Minister Modi going to lead. So place is beta Srinagar. Got my point or not? Any problem? Srinagar. Okay, this matter clear. Special day today is International Yoga Day, 21st of June, leading by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and place is Srinagar. Got my point? Matter clear. Now coming on the special today, which content have of current affair, we have a very much important content. So number first question, and before starting today, quote have motivational quote, what have those, firstly everyone write on note down on your front page of current affairs series, starting page, right? Mistakes are proof that mistakes are proof that you are trying. Okay, this is today's motivational quote. Have you everyone this thing firstly understand? If any person have in your life, anyone being have, there are I'm making you explain via this one emoji symbol. There are a two person have, okay, name indicating anyone's name A and he is a B. Okay, this is a person who is trying their everything in the positive sense. He is everything doing in the positive way, and he is trying in the negativity, just because of the reason is only just one. Person used to say to him negative person A, because he is trying, he is failing, he is mistaking day by day. Okay, A is mistaking day by day, that's reason he became negative person, and B number is not doing any negativity, that's why he is a positive. But this is not a fair. Any person doing any kind of mistakes, that mean he trying to doing their best. So according to me, A number is the best, not a B. So that quote is saying mistakes are a proof. Our mistakes are proof of ourselves that we are trying. Yes or no? Got my point? Now come on the question. Everyone note down, very important quote. Have mistake are proof that you are trying. Okay, this you written every. Okay, now we are starting with our first question of current affairs series. Just a minute, give me. Okay, Mark route will be, right, first number, Mark route will be NATO's next secretary. NATO's next secretary. Got my point or not? Clear? Okay, here A not have. secretary, journal, secretary journal. Okay beta, he is from which country? Very most important question have question saying Mark Rutte will be a NATO's next general secretary. Secretary general also can say, just a minute, wait. Okay, so here you are looking Mark Rutte. Mark Rutte is going to become NATO's agency next secretary general. Got my point? Here there are two type of the question can be asked. NATO's next general secretary. Everyone note down here. NATO's upcoming general secretary. Okay, general secretary. So answer will be Mark Rutte. Got my point or not? Mark Rutte. Got? Okay, this can ask by NATO's upcoming general secretary, then right answer will be Mark Rutte. Okay, another question have and can ask by them here Mark Rutte going to become general secretary of dash dash dash, means the company name here asking. So here you can say NATO's. Yes or no? Right answer. And third question can ask here, he is from which country? At the place if change, he place right Mark Rutte. Then he place already have pronoun have and his noun is Mark Rutte have. Yes or no? According to question, Mark Rutte. Mark Rutte from which country? If here talk about the country name of Mark Rutte, from where he belong, then whatever you say, I am option giving you. Option number A, Norway. Option number 2, Canada. Option number 3, Germany. Option number 4 is Netherlands. Hope you got everyone. Okay, there are 4 options here. Question asking this one, Mark Rutte belong from which country or he is from which country? So first number Norway, second number Canada, and third number Germany, and fourth number Netherlands. So right answer of this question is Netherlands. Mark Rutte belong from Netherlands. Got my point? Mark Rutte. Who is Mark Rutte? Mark Rutte is upcoming general secretary of NATO. Got my point? And he belonging from Netherlands country. Matter clear? Okay, now next question. Going to erase this one. If you not written, pause the video, take a screenshot. Just only making every important question which can ask by SSC upcoming all examination. Okay, that's why full notes making every important questions only making have. Who won the gold medal? Second number. This second number have, yes. Who won the gold medal? Okay, who won the gold medal at the, just 1 minute, give me, write fast. Here one thing written have which is not understanding level. Who won the gold medal at the one word have here, peeve have or what have, this is aha. Okay, clear. Pavo Nurmi games. Okay, 2024 athletes athletics have, athletes not have, here athletics, right? Then good have. Athletics meet in the Turk. Okay, Turk. Finland with a throw of 85.97 meter have. Yes, option here have Devendra Jadeja, even Devendra Jadeja not right, Devendra Jhanjharia right, good option have, because Devendra Jadeja then here something issue creating, because okay, Deepak Jhanjhara, even Jhanjharia right, sport player name. Shivpal Singh, and next is Neeraj Chopra, and fourth is Annu Rani. Got? Saying who won the gold medal here, this is most important. Pavo Nurmu Games, this is the name of the game which is meeting in the held at Turk 2024 athletics meet in the Turk, Finland with a throw of 89.9 centimeter, 97 centimeter have, here meter not by mistake centimeter, because this is a variable of centimeter, so this is meter have 85.9 meter. Got my point? Option given have Devendra Jhanjharia, Shivpal Singh and Neeraj Chopra, Annu Rani. Everyone very well know. Right answer will be Neeraj Chopra. Yes or no? Neeraj Chopra is the player who throw 97 meter. Got my point? Next question. Need to erase this. Okay. We are just only trying for upcoming every. Clear? Every question. If you unable to write with me, then pause the video, take a screenshot, write. Just only understand. That's why I make in every question which is most important questions have. Which notes making here? Notes also depending on upcoming examination basis level have, upcoming SSC, all the examination level have. Okay. Next question, right? Grandmaster. Number 3rd have. Yes, beta. Grandmaster. Fast write with me. Grand Master called ZM Arjun Irgazi. Spelling not understand, they'll tell. Here yes I have. Okay. Irgazi has won the, write with me fast, won the Stepan Avagyan directly write beta here. Okay. Avagyan Memorial 2024 crown in Zarmuk. Armenia. He is from which state? This is something large have, but you understand, sure have, 100% sure have. Examiner will be asked this question in SSC. Okay. Grandmaster GM Aryan Irgazi has won the Stepan Avagyan Memorial 2024. Okay. Here Memorial 2024 crow in Denmark, America. He is from which state? Got my point? Option take. Here crown right beta. This crown right, then you will understand good. Crown in. Okay. Option take Rajasthan. Second option is Telangana. and third option is Madhya Pradesh, and fourth is our Uttar Pradesh. Now everyone tell answer who read this news. Most important question for SSC. Grandmaster GM Aryan Irgasi has won the Stepan Avagyan Memorial 2024 crown in Denmark, America. He is from which state? Option given have Rajasthan, option given Madhya Pradesh, option here given have Telangana, option given Uttar Pradesh. Right answer will be Telangana. Most important question have write fast. SSC level. Okay, fast everyone write, note down fast. Clear? Okay, hope you everyone written. Now next question. Clear? Okay, next question what saying, which global leader in cross border, number 4th है बेटा, write fast, which global, fast, which global leader in cross border money, in cross border money, okay, cross border money transfer has partnered question large है but can ask in examination, partnered with India Post Payments, with India Post Payment, okay, bank, Post Payment Bank, that is called here India PP Post Payment Bank, India Post Payment Bank IPPB, to provide okay, and affordable and affordable doorstep have here, doorstep financial service to customer, doorstep financial service to customers in remote areas. Now write option beta. Option number A, Western Union, second option MoneyGram, third option is Ria Money Transfer, beta, and fourth option is TransferWise, beta. Matter clear? Okay, now here you are looking question saying which global leader in cross border money transfer has partnered with India Post Payment Bank, that is IPPB, Indian Post Payment Bank, to provide convenient and affordable doorstep service have here. Okay, which service have doorstep service, financial service to customer to remote areas. Option number first is Western Union, option number second MoneyGram, option number third Ria Money Transfer, option number fourth is TransferWise. So right answer of this question is Ria Money Transfer. Got my point? Ria Money Transfer work, what have Ria Money Transfer company working doorstep work like customer door home financial service offer with the help of Indian Post Payment Bank. Their partnership did have with Ria Money Transfer, this doing by the doorstep service to the customer at financial services. Got my point? Most important question have. Now next question. Firstly erase this. You know, the most important questions we are here discussing, very much important questions have. So please, I am requesting you everyone, share this channel, share this video everywhere, because we are at the SSC series special. Which AI chip maker, number 5th है बेटा, which AI chip maker, which AI chip maker Zyient has officially beta officially dethroned Microsoft, dethroned, this TH है बेटा, okay, TH, dethroned Microsoft to become the world most valuable, to become the world, WO है बेटा, RELD, world most valuable बेटा, most valuable, okay, most valuable company with a market capitalization, company with a market capitalization, market capitalization, and beta what saying of $3.4 of $3.34 trillion 3.34 trillion. Option number A, option number B, option number 3, option number 4. Right, fast beta. Option are most important have Intel, AMD and beta Nvidia and Broadcom. Nvidia and beta Broadcom. You everyone tell the right answer of this question. Question what saying beta? In the question answer written have which AI chip maker, one chip maker AI chip maker have, one company have who making AI chip maker, okay, Zyient has officially, okay, dethroned Microsoft to become the world most valuable company. Okay, one company have who AI chip maker have, those trying to become the world most valuable company with a market capitalization of $3.34 trillion. Getting my point or not? AI chip maker company wants to become the most valuable company with the market capitalization of $3.34 trillion. Yes or no? Option have Intel, AMD, Nvidia and Broadcom. So right answer will be AMD. AMD is the AI maker company have, AI chip maker company have, who is trying to become the world most valuable company with their value in the market capitalization $3.34 trillion. Got my point? Hope clear. Now headlines which one have today, you everyone write this after I am telling you. We have a headings wise, we have a topic which is very most important of the day. So can I raise this one? Hope you everyone written. Who not written have, pause the video, take 2 hours, right time. Okay, now headlines, keep the heading headlines of the 21st June 2024. Most important headlines है बेटा, you everyone note down fast, give the hashtag headlines, give with the hashtag. Okay, 9 Indian ports have been ranked, 9 Indian ports have been marked among top 100, marked among top 100. Okay, among top 100 in container post performance, in container okay, post performance index, post performance index beta. Most important headline have 9 Indian ports, ports means understanding or not, seaport, shipyard. 9 Indian ports have been marked among the top 100 in container post performance index, in the index of performance, their post performance index, that PPI, in the list of PPI top 100 our 9 Indian ports came have. Yes or no? Got my point? Now next hashtag give it a cabinet approved central sector, cabinet approve central sector, central sector. Got my point? Central sector scheme. Here scheme have one. Which scheme have? Scheme saying national forensic infrastructure, national forensic infrastructure, forensic infrastructure enhancement scheme, enhancement scheme. What is the name have? So write name of NEIE, national E not have FM, national forensic infrastructure enhancement. Cabinet approve, our cabinet approve central sector scheme. One central sector scheme approve have, which name is national forensic infrastructure enhancement scheme. What is the NFIE? You know NFIE, national here, national forensic infrastructure enhancement. Forensic, you know, forensic department. You seen CBI have their side, you used to say when any case getting then used to say send in the forensic lab. Yes or no? Send into the forensic lab where Dr. Saruke will be do the postmortem and check the reason of death. Yes, Saruke, Dr. Saruke in the CBI have, who is head of forensic lab of CBI. Yes or no? Same forensic lab have here. Talking about cabinet approve central sector scheme, which is national forensic infrastructure enhancement scheme, NFIE. Got my point beta? Clear have? Hope you understand. Note down everyone fast. Now another headline is, can I raise one this? Okay, everyone focus. We are at the very important series. You know, this dustless chalk said have, but dustless chalk not have. Seen my full face also have as type white became. Okay, now cabinet approves the development. Those also cabinet approved have, this also cabinet approving. Cabinet approves the development. Okay, the development of and all, the development of all weather greenfield deep raft major port, deep raft major port. Got my point? Very important है बेटा. Major port at Vadhavan in Maharashtra. At Vadhavan in Maharashtra. Vadhavan in Maharashtra. Got my point or not? Saying cabinet approved the development of all weather greenfield deep, here understand, deep raft major port at the Vadhavan in Maharashtra. This is headline hai beta, most important headlines have of the 21st June, most important headlines have. Got my point or not? Now next one, note down here. National monetization pipeline, national monetization pipeline, national monetization pipeline. Got my point? Okay, national monetization pipeline, monetize rupees 3.85 beta, 3.85 lakh crore of assets in 3 years, of assets in 3 years beta. Got my point or not beta? Here saying national monetization pipeline, monetize, national monetization pipeline, monetize rupees 3.85 lakh crore assets in 3 years. Understanding or not? In 3 years, complete 3.85 lakh crore rupees. Which one? Pipeline monetizing. Yes or no? Pipeline, which one monetization have those given for the monetizing at the rate of 85 lakh crore per 3 year. Getting my point or not? Target of 3 years have given. Now, one next is former India Quick David, okay, Johnson has passed. David Johnson have, yes, David Johnson has passed. Getting my point or not? Former India Quick David Johnson has passed away. He was 52 years. Very sad news have our former India Quick David Johnson has passed in age of 52 years. Very sad news have. He was the very edge level personality who trying to make their everything as a level of how deserving the country best, to making the country best, planned very good. He is a former India Quick David Johnson has passed. Very important news have. Question can ask David Johnson when passed, sorry, the age of David Johnson so was 52 when he passed, and the date is 21st of June. Yes or no? 20 June can say late night time have, but 21 accepting have date. Yes or no? One more have I am making you any other where. Okay, it is only one line take. Okay, just 2 minutes more. World Refugee Day. Okay, World Refugee Day. Oh my god, refugee spelling I am wrong writing. Refugee Day observed on 20 June. Okay, World Refugee Day observed on 20 June. This is the second headline hai beta. I already told you, very important told you day, starting the video lecture told you 21st June International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day celebrating in the Srinagar, leading by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is the current Prime Minister of our country, leading in the Srinagar. International Yoga Day. Getting my point or not? And World Refugee Day observed on 20 June. Got my point? Clear? So today we have seen the lot of important headlines and most important questions of current affairs is day second. I am your Satya Misra on MAB Classes official platform. Thank you so much to join us. If you feel very good, so please share us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.